You can also create a single contour at a specified elevation. This may be used for maybe a waterline elevation or water elevation or some other maybe intermediate contour that you want to display. So on the Surfaces tab, there's Contoured Elevation. You're going to select that. You select the surface. You give it a name. So we're going to name this 285.5 contour. And you're going to set an elevation. So we'll enter in 285. We'll go ahead and put it on a layer. Let's just go ahead and put it on the contour layer up top here. So I'm just going to pick contours. And we can set the color. So maybe we want this to be a different color. And you can see down here we have the min and max elevation. So let's go ahead and make sure that we're on the right layer here. So let's go up to contours and we'll click OK. And you'll see that now we have a contour at 285.5, which is between 285 and 286. And you can see over here in the properties or in the Project Explorer, it actually lists that different than the others. So if we were to come in here and go to the properties of that, you'll see that you do have the ability to come in here and choose a different one. So if we wanted this to be 75, we could do that and it will adjust that contour to 275. Or I could come back to make it 250 and it's at 250.